plus flash manufacturing. We discuss it for educational factoring. So it is a trap trade. And it's an activation time of 9:44:55. See what I mean about scrunched? Stop to safety. Looking for a nice reversal here. Stop to safety. First target. I'll take my first target. Only 320. Only 320. What I was doing, I was bringing my first target down just to get target one. I'll take $320 on that trade. I don't mind that. But I think if you're still in it, be careful. Out for testing. Here comes the news. It's out. I would cancel the YM. I would cancel the YM. Okay, now I'm waiting to see if we get the second tier filled, or if a reversal starts to take place. I like this trade because the ES is bullish. Okay, the ES is bullish. It filled our second tier. I'm moving my first order, my target, down. Now I want to see that reversal start to take place. No, I'll shrink my stop a little bit. Now, if we get a reversal to take place here, okay, now I put my stop to safety, and now I expand my target above the high, bottom of the candle. Now I'm trailing. Now I can't lose. Now I'm trailing. Trying not to get too close, though. Now I'm trailing. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. I don't mind. I don't mind. I'll take it. I'll take it. The YM was late. The YM was late. Okay. I don't mean late. It was just not fast to take the trade. Not fast. Now, how many times am I going to trail too tight? How many times? Probably every time. You can't teach an old, decrepit man new tricks. I can try. I'll keep trying. That's all I can do, is make a pledge to keep trying. But I don't mind making 380, 480, $550 today. I don't mind that.